Alright folks, we're going to take up the timber again, the original timber. And I found something really bad about the paint I used. It's just an acrylic paint. It's coming right off the foam. So, I guess my paint job's not going to last very long. Well, that's a good looking bird. Oh yeah, that's a good mix there. Alright. Okay, I just had to make sure I actually was filming. I didn't know if I'd hit the camera or not. It's a good looking plane. Maybe I can put some sort of sealant or something on there to where that mix will, or that paint will stay on there.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh yeah, I should do a knife edge for me. See how low and slow she goes here. Not bad at all.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yep, not bad at all. All right. I'm so tempted to fly it like the turbo timber.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But she's doing really well. Still gotta get that mix down. It's not quite, still ballooning an awful lot. All right, got a minute and a half. There, a knife edge there. Run a 2200 smart battery in her, 3 cell. That's what she calls for. Should take a bigger than that, like a 25 to 3,000 to resell. Whoa, whoa! Well, that was just stupid on my part. Okay, let's try that again.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And once again, trying to hit myself in my own planes. All right, well, there we go. Weed whacking. Folks, that is the original timber. Thank you for watching. Motor off. You a happy bird, you're a happy bird. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.